Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to level your headlights on your BMW, a trick of how to make sure they're level, and also going to talk about some functionality with the auto leveling system on your BMW, all wrapped up in this video. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go ahead and pop the hood here. All right, once you have the hood popped here, your first one that you're gonna get to is the screw adjustment right here. Then the second one, very easy as well, Phillips screw adjustment right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and shut off the lights, turn the car on, so that way we can check the actual level of each projector headlight and make sure they're in sync. If not, we'll make adjustments. Up against the garage door, this is where it's gonna be key because you're gonna be able to really see exactly eyeball where it is level-wise. So if it's right here on this garage door line, then you know you're good, it's level. We can get out a tape measure and measure it as well if we wanted to, but you'll notice if it's right here on this line and then maybe the other side's way out, like to this, then you know, okay, I want to bring the driver's side down just a little bit or bring up the passenger to bring it up with it. Whichever suits your needs, that's what we're going to do. All right, with the lights on, now you can see what I'm referring to. Now my passenger side is right here and driver's side is literally right with it. Usually your driver's side is going to be a little bit lower due to traffic coming up on your side, so that way you don't blind the person coming that way. You can actually measure just to make sure. It's like about 25 and a half. Measure on this side here. Right close to 25 and a half. I mean, these are really pretty right on the par as far as level go. Once you have your Phillips screwdriver in that location spot that I pointed out at the beginning, counterclockwise, we'll make it go up. Clockwise, we'll make it go back down. It's literally as simple as that. Don't have to take anything off, which is great because usually you have to take something off to work on something to make adjustments. Anybody can do this. This is extremely simple. Now from an up close and personal perspective, your adjustment is right here on the top of the headlight. So Phillips screwdriver right here. One direction, obviously clockwise. As far as the leveling goes, other direction, counterclockwise, will adjust the projector down the other way. So very easy, just like what you can see there. Do it up against a garage door, up against a building, something on a flat surface, so that way you can either measure it or eyeball it, just like on a, just like what you can see here in my garage. So that's from one way that you can do it, of course. If you turn on your headlights and notice that your projector light is like sky high or all the way down to the ground, you're gonna wanna check for this issue first. I call this the little servo motor. It controls your leveling up and down. So when you turn on your car, you saw my headlights go up and go down. This sits right here in this spot, right here. And there's a lot of plastic components in here. These do fail, so I don't wanna count this out, but this will be a clear check to go ahead and do this. Adjust your headlights first. See if they'll adjust up. If they adjust up, and then you go to turn your car on again and this motor points them back down or points them back up, you know you got a problem here with this one. So you can do that. And then you got your dynamic headlights. Obviously, if you're turning left or right, it'll go with the car. You got sensors on your control arms for that, which you will have a code if your dynamic part of your headlights are not working. So you'll have that. So definitely check the code. From the code perspective, you should always check it regardless from that side. So quick, easy tutorial as far as Leveling your headlights, don't have to take anything off, Phillips screwdriver, servo motor, checking that, and also checking your codes if you have any from the dynamic perspective from that. Very easy process to do, anybody can do it. So you wanna diagnose your problem further if it's not just as simple as leveling your headlights with a Phillips screwdriver. All right guys, big thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the other DIY videos I have, informational videos, things to look out for on the BMW platform. I'm here to help as much as possible. Well, hopefully you have a great weekend. I'll talk to you next time. Take care.